What is up, YouTube? So I mentioned it in a couple of past videos that we're going to be changing out the exhaust on my bike. So this is a 2014 Kawasaki Ninja 1000. She's a little quiet. And also the exhaust that's on here isn't necessarily ideal for two people riding on the bike. So anytime I have my backpack on here with me, she always hits her foot on the muffler. As a matter of fact, there was one point in time where her boot actually melted onto the top of my muffler because she had it rested on the muffler. I'll try to find a picture of it. I'm sure I have it somewhere. I'll put it up here or somewhere along these lines. But today we're going to be doing this install. It's going to be very straightforward, super easy. I already grabbed the tools necessary to do this, and I'll show you what you would need to do. Put you down for a video. I'm not even going to probably put it as a time lapse because this is so quick. Probably a 5-minute install for both sides. So I'll show you guys what you need to work with. For this bike's exhaust system, it's actually held in with one 6mm hex head bolt. And in the back side, there's a 13mm nut. Down over here, there's a hose clamp, and it is a 10mm. You see it right there. That's a 10mm bolt, and it loosens the clamp, and then the exhaust comes out. That easy. So let's get to it. Just like that, this side is out, and then right here, it's kind of like a motorcycle's equivalent to a donut gasket. That's what it looks like here. And I'll grab the new pipes. So this gasket is gonna go right around the pipe like that. It'll bottom out right over here. See? And then you slide it right back in here. Bear in mind, guys, I know that these pipes are not perfect. I didn't expect them to be. Like I mentioned before in a previous video, I got these pipes for 80 bucks. And this is a $370 exhaust system. So needless to say, I got a really good deal. Couldn't pass it up. And I will be probably like doing a little restoration on them because it looks like the last guy was a little bit of like a street Rossi. If you know what the reference is, comment down below. And he scraped the pipes on the ground very, very frequently, as you can tell right there. So I personally don't like that riding style. I do take corners a little bit, you know, a little bit on the aggressive side, if you will, or maybe a little spiritually driven. Because who doesn't like to do a little spirited driving? But I don't foresee myself dragging the exhaust pipe. Maybe I will, who knows? But that's really low. Maybe the guy took a dive. But it's on both sides, so I would imagine that this was a little bit more purposeful than you would expect. But that's how it looks in comparison. It's so much better. And then got this 6mm tightened down. I'll do the same down below on the 10mm hose clamp. And just like that, this side is done. I'm gonna move you guys to the other side, get that one out of the way. And that's pretty much it, super simple. just like that. This side is out. Holy shiza. Okay, got my little gasket out. Get the pipe, put it on. And then she's done. Super easy install. I really can't stress that enough. This is like the most painless exhaust install I've ever had in my life. Put this one right in there. Just like that. It's weird because this one actually sits in the front. Now we're gonna be moving that to the rear, just like the other side. I don't know what this tab is for. Interesting. Where is my... It looks like I'm missing a little chrome cap that goes over this black space here. Probably get a nice big chrome washer for it here in the future. I don't need to take the exhaust off to do it, just a bolt. So might as well going forward, because I don't like the look of that a little bit, but these don't bother me. This is to be expected. But curious as to how this thing is gonna sound, guys. No. 10 mil trying to run away. Can you believe that? And we're done. 7 minutes. Just like that, a simple install on the bike is done. Now all there's left to do is take her for a ride and see how she sounds. From that last clip, I mean, she sounds amazing. I'll try to find a video of the exhaust before. I forgot to do a little rev test. I didn't want to warm up the exhaust because I was switching it out. So for now, I appreciate you guys. Wow, it's a little loud in there. I'm gonna move over here. I appreciate you guys tuning in. That was a short, quick, easy video to record. Barely any edits, and anybody like yourself can do it. So bear that in mind. Buy yourself a little project, work on it, and as long as you can take a bolt off and put it back on, you're off to the races. But please like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys on the next video. Take care. 6mm Helen. Wow.